Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious quesadillas with corn tortillas. First, gather your ingredients: corn tortillas, your favorite melting cheese, and any fillings you desire. Make sure to cook any meats or vegetables thoroughly beforehand. Shred about 1 cup of cheese, such as Oaxaca or Monterey Jack, for easy melting. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a perfectly cheesy result. Next, heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. You want it warm enough to cook, but not so hot that it burns the tortilla. Lightly brush the pan with a small amount of oil or butter to prevent sticking and add flavor. Place 1 corn tortilla in the hot pan, cooking it for about 30 seconds on each side until it's pliable and slightly warmed through. This step prepares the tortilla for its delicious transformation. Now for the fun part, the fillings. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over just 1/2 of the warmed corn tortilla. Then, add a small amount of your pre-cooked fillings, like seasoned chicken or sautéed peppers, on top of the cheese. Be careful not to overfill. Finally, gently fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, creating a perfect crescent shape ready for melting. To finish, continue cooking the folded quesadilla for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese is completely melted and gooey. Remove it from the pan and let it rest for about 1 minute before cutting into wedges. This brief rest helps the cheese set. Enjoy your perfectly crafted corn tortilla quesadilla. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.